Good morning, student. How are you? Fine? Now, I am also fine and I hope you are enjoying your work. I am correct? Are you enjoying your days? Yes. Now, we are also enjoy our days. Now, student, in the last lecture, I told you about the new chapter. I explained you the new chapter, the chapter number 11. But some problem related to this chapter, so I include chapter number 9. Chapter number 9 I explain you today. The chapter number 9 is houses. Houses changing times. Changing times. Houses. But I want to ask you something about the house. Which one is the first house of the human beings? Means हमारा पहला घर कौन सा है? Think about it. I give you 1 minute. Okay? Which one is the first house for the human beings? इंसान का सबसे पहला घर कौन सा है? First house of the human beings. Which one is the first house? The first house of the human beings is earth. I am correct? Is it correct? Earth. Because we all are live in the earth. But in the earth, we want some place for us. All the human beings not live together. Why? Because human beings make separate houses for them. Clear? I have my house, you have your house, your friends have also their house. Clear? Most important questions created here. Why do we need house? Why do we need a house? What is the importance of the house for us? Now I told you earth is the first house for the human beings. जो अर्थ है वो पहला घर है because all the living beings live on the earth. The second house is our own house. हमारा खुद का घर दूसरा घर है हमारे लिए. But why do we need that house? ऐसे भी तो रह सकते हैं ना? No. House is very important place for the human beings or for us. Because house protect us from the so many danger conditions. It prevent us from the harmful conditions. If you continuously live in front of the sun rays, so it affect your skin and also your health. After that, at night, if you sleep in the open place, so you face hot and cold conditions. Means how protect us from the so many danger conditions. Protect us from the thieves, चोरों से बचाता है. We also keep safe our money in the house. Clear? So this is the importance of the house. But if we talk about the old time, if we discuss about the old time, in the olden time, men have no house. The man has no house. The human beings live in the forest with the animals. Clear? In the olden time, बहुत पुराने समय में, the human beings only lived in the forest. In the forest they are roaming one place to another place. Continuously they are change their place. Why they change their place? Because they need food. At present we eat so many things, but in the olden time the human beings not know about the so many food items. They only eat fruits and animals, the flesh of the dead animals. Clear? Now in this chapter we discuss about the early time. अर्ली टाइम इज पुराने समय में, बहुत पुराने समय में. क्लियर? दैट टाइम विच टाइप्स हाउस मेड बाय द ह्यूमन बींग्स एंड वेयर डू द अर्ली मैन लिव. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट we discuss about the modern houses. At present we are living in the so many kinds of houses and we made so many types of houses for us. After that people who build a house, about that we discuss in the next lecture. At present means today we will discuss about the houses in early times. See the page number 58, chapter number 9, houses changing times. Clear? The early human has no house. What I told you before a few minutes? What I told you? The early man has no house. Means early man has no house. They lived in the forest, not live in the house, and continuously they are changing their place for the searching of the food. खाने की खोज में वो लोग एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते रहते थे. Clear? So student, reading we are doing and I explain you each and every line here. Clear? With the reading I explain you all the things. What given in the first line? The early human has no house. Early human means those are living in the so many years ago. बहुत समय पहले जो लोग इस अर्थ पर धरती पर रहते थे. Now the second line, they used to live in caves or on tree branches. In the place of house they live in the caves and on the tree branches. Why they live in the cave? Because they want to protection from the wild animals. For that they make a hole in the mountain areas and live there. And they spend their night on the branches of the trees. या तो रात में वो पेड़ पर चढ़कर ब्रांचेस पे बैठे रहते थे या केव्स में रहते थे, गुफाओं में रहते थे. Now they did not know how to build houses. Why they live in the caves or on the branches of the trees? Because they don't know about the house. How do they build the house? About that they know. They are not know about the building materials and they not think about the house because they are continuously changing their place for the food. After that, with the passage of time, the early humans learn to make house using mud, leaves, straw and bamboo. After the so many times, first they are living in the caves. This is cave. गुफाओं में रहते थे. After are on the branches of the tree. Clear? Now after the sometimes they learn about the building of the house. So they use mud and make make a hut. How do they make a hut? With the mud, means this is the clay. Okay. Now leaves. They use dead leaves for the shed. Straw and bamboo. Straw means this is the small pieces of the grass. They mix in the mud and make a wall with the help of that mud, and use the bamboo for the base of the house, and make a small hut and live there. Clear? Most of the houses in those days were built near the river. Means near the river they make their houses. Why? Because the water is the most important thing for the human beings. Without water we cannot live on the earth. So they build their houses near the river. Clear? Because they use water in the so many works, and through that the main transportation source is the river. Through the river so many people go to one place to another place. Clear? So this is the houses built by the early men. Once again I explain you, the early humans has no house. Why they has no house? Because they are living in the forest and continuously they change their places. If they want to stay in a place, they live in the caves, or they spend their nights on the branches of the trees, big trees. After that they are searching the food continuously for them, so they continuously change their places. Now after the sometimes passing so many years, they learn to how the build a hut or build a house. So they use mud, because in the older time they don't know about the cement, bricks or any iron material. So they use natural things for build a house. They use straw, mud, bamboo, dead leaves. Mud and straw they use for the make a wall. Bamboo give the base of the house or base of the hut. And leaves, they use leaves for the shed, make the roof of the hut. Clear? So this way they built a house for them. Now next paragraph. Houses in early time. Houses in early time. With the invention of bricks, human beings making big houses. Now passing so many years, human beings know about the bricks, means ईंटें बनाना सीख लिया. With the invention of bricks, human began making big houses. The houses made of bricks were strong and durable. You can still see ruins of such houses in many parts of the India. Means if you see the buildings, some buildings or some forts are made by the big stones, or some buildings made through the bricks, and the size of that bricks are so big and large. Not at present. Sorry, we use a small bricks, but in the olden time people made so many big bricks and used to make their houses. So these types of bricks are so strong and durable for them. You can still see ruins of such houses in many parts of the India. Now, with the invention of cement and iron, human beings to build very strong and big houses. Clear? So through this diagram I want to show you how human beings make their in the olden time human beings use mud, straw, bamboo to build a house. After that, invention of the bricks, they make a strong house for them, that is the durable for them. Now after the so many times, so many years, human beings invent the cement and use the iron, and bricks is there, and they make a big houses for them. Clear? These house consist to many rooms. In the olden time, human beings make a hut. They have only one room is there. After the invention, human beings make different types of rooms for them. Since most of the families during that period were joint families, they needed big houses. These houses had a lot of space in and around. The roofs were high, which helped the houses to remain cool in hot summer. They also had many big windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. These houses were very good for the health purpose. Clear? In the olden time, people make very high walls, and roof is also airy, and use big windows in their house and big door also. Why they make this type houses? Because human beings need sunlight. They protect them from the heat of the sun, and according to atmosphere, house also change their nature. Clear? In the heavy summer time, that houses become cool, and in the winter season it protect from the cool air. So human beings make this type houses in the olden time. Clear? When the human beings start using cement and iron rods, but with that they use bricks. Now at that time they use big windows, make big windows, and doors also big. After that, they make very high roof, ऊंची छत बनाते थे. So it passes the air into one place to other place and make different rooms and leave the place around the house. घर के आसपास भी बहुत सारी जगह छोड़ देते थे. So each and everybody used that place for them. And basically in the olden time, most of the family is the joint family, because so many members live together, so they need a big house for them. So this purpose human beings make big houses, leave the place around the house and make airy rooms. For that they use big windows and big doors. Clear? Now, so this is the page number 58. Student, page number 58 I will explain you here, and I hope you understand what is given on this page. But once again I want to explain you in this paragraph or on this page number 58, the chapter number 9, houses changing times. Clear? On this paragraph given about the early human beings, means पुराने समय में जो लोग रहते थे. Early human beings live in the caves or on the branches of the trees. Why they live? Because they are living in the forest. Early human live in the forest. They live in a group, small groups, and they not stay in a particular place. They have no fixed place to stay on that place. Continuously they change their place. Why they change their place? Because they want food. For the searching of the food, they continuously change their place. So they have not fixed place. So for that they use caves or big holes that is made by the nature in the mountain areas. So they live there and are on the branches of the trees. After that, early human beings passing so many years in the forest. After that they learn build a house. Not they suddenly they not build like house like for हमारे जैसे घर नहीं बना देते. They use natural things for that. They make hut. How do they make hut? With the help of the mud, straw, bamboo and leaves. They make small huts and live there. Why they need the house or how they learn the building of the house? After the so many years. Clear? Step by step they use the things and learn about them and use them to build a house. Clear? Now after spending so many years in a hut, they use bricks or they invent the bricks. उन्होंने ईंटें बनाना सीखा and that bricks they use in to build a house. Clear? So they make big houses with the help of that bricks. Clear? And that bricks are not so many small. They are the large bricks and use them to build up very big buildings. Clear? Now in the olden time people invent the cement and use the iron rods. Bricks is there. Bricks तो वही थी. Bricks अभी भी यूज होती है. ईंटों का तो अभी भी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now they make big houses for them because in the olden time so many families are the joint families. So many people live together, spend their time in the house. So they make different types of rooms for them and also leave the open space around the house. Clear? So this thing make them safe, and after the passing the years they learn to make a pakka house. In the olden time people make kacha houses for them because they use natural things. When they start using of the cement and iron, after that they build a pakka house. Clear, student? So this thing given in this paragraph on the page number 59. Now page number 59. On this page, houses in modern times. In the olden times we already discussed about them. Which types of the houses human beings use for the living. Now at present in the modern time, which types of houses using by the human beings. मतलब इस समय में हम लोग किस तरह के घरों में रहते हैं. About them we will discuss. Clear, student? So I am writing here heading मॉडर्न टाइम मीन्स एट प्रेजेंट. अभी के समय की बात करेंगे हम लोग. क्लियर? टुडे मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेस आर स्मॉल विथ 2 to 4 रूम्स. What I told you, in the olden time people make so many rooms in their houses, but at present if we build a house, we include only 2 or 4 rooms. One is drawing room, one is kitchen, only 2 bedrooms. These types of houses we build for us. Why? Because at present so many people live in a single family, not live in the joint family, they live in the single family or nuclear family. So they don't need so many rooms for them. The concept of joint family system has been replaced by nuclear family system. What I told you before a few minutes, because so many people live in a nuclear family at present, but in the olden time people live together. So many family members live in a house, they make a joint family, but at present only mummy, papa and 2 children in their family. Clear? Both in villages and cities housing pattern has changed a lot. Means in the olden time most of the people in the villages they make kacha houses, but at present they also build a pakka house for them. They use bricks and cement, means they use modern technology. Villagers also, and those are living in the metro cities and the town and the big cities. Clear? But before that we discuss about the some houses, those are built in the villages. Houses in villages. See the heading, houses in the villages, this paragraph. Okay, put your finger on the line. Most houses in villages are kacha houses. Student, please pay the attention in your book. Okay, when I explain you and I showed you like this textbook, like this, so you keep your finger on the paragraph. Clear? And with the explanation we also complete our reading. So you put your finger on the line. What is the heading? Houses in villages. First line. Okay? Most houses in villages are kacha houses. Why we say most of the houses built in the villages, that is kacha house? Because the villagers not use modern technology, they don't use cement. Some people are used at present, but most of those are the poor people live in the villages. They use mud and straw and bamboo to build a house. So we say that is the kacha house. Second line, these houses are made of mud, straw, leaves and bamboos. Yes, like a early man, villagers make their house. They use same material to make their house. Mud, straw, bamboo. Clear? The floor are made of dry leaves, a clay coat with cow dung. Means in the cities people use paint for the walls, but people those are live in the villages, they use cow dung to cover the wall. Clear? They use clay. Clay means गीली मिट्टी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं to make a wall. If they want to make a wall, they use clay for that. Clear? And they want to cover that wall, so they use cow dung. Clear? In the place of the paint, they use cow dung to cover the wall. In the place of the cement, they use cow dung. When we make a wall, we use sand, cement and join the bricks. But in the place of the cement, if the villagers want to make their house, in the place of the cement they use clay, मिट्टी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. And for the covering of them they use clay and cow dung. गोबर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं कवर करने के लिए. फॉर द फ्लोरिंग, फ्लोर के लिए भी वो वही यूज करेंगे. इन द सिटीज पीपल यूज टाइल्स, टाइल्स लगाते हैं ना घर में. बट विलेजर्स दे कवर द रूफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द काउ डंग. गोबर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं फ्लोरिंग के लिए. क्लियर? नाउ सो दिस इज द हाउएवर पीपल विद गुड इकोनॉमिक्स conditions in the villages also make pakka houses. If people's condition, economical condition is good, people those are live in the villages, जिनके पास पैसा है तो they make pakka house for them. Clear student? So this thing given in the modern time. In the modern time, people if they have money, they make pakka house for them. Okay, what is the motto of this paragraph? People those are live in the villages, they make kacha house for them. But not all the villagers, if they have sufficient money, they make pakka house for them. Clear? But villagers those have not financially strong, they make kacha house for them. And they use same things that is used in the olden time used by the early men. Same thing they used to make their kacha house. Straw, mud, bamboo, cow dung. This thing they use. Clear? So student, I finish my lecture here. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next lecture. And I give you one suggestion. You read the page number 58. And if you have any problem, talk with me. Clear student? I hope you understand what is given in this chapter, because in class 3, in 2, in 1, you also read that thing. And your teacher explained you about it. House is the most important thing for the human beings, for you, for me, because we are the human beings. Without house we cannot survive. Why? Because house protect us from the so many dangerous conditions. Clear? And it give a look. घर से हमें लुक भी मिलता ना, उसका घर कितना बड़ा है. Clear? So it give a status to us. But in this chapter we discuss about the early men, जो पुराने समय में लोग रहते थे. Which types of houses they made for them? Where do they live? Early men live in the forest. In the forest they live in the caves and on the branches of the trees, and continuously they change their place. After the invention, they make bricks. Through the bricks they make so many big buildings, and so many family members live together, because in the olden times people live in the joint family. And they make big airy houses. For the roof they use bricks and mud and bamboo they use for the roof. And they make very high walls. Why they make very high walls? Because it make house airy, and roof is also very high because it pass the air to one place to other place. Clear? And they use window, so many big windows, large windows. Why? Because they fresh air enter in the house. Because in the olden time people not use any cooler or AC or fan. So for the passing the air they use big windows and big doors. Clear student? So this thing given on the page number 58. on the page number 59 we will discuss about the modern houses. Why the people live in the modern houses and they have very few rooms for the living. Why? Because in the olden time people live in the joint family, but at present we live in the nuclear family. Only few members in our family, only parents and their children. So they don't need big houses. They have only 2 or 3 rooms. Clear? Now houses in the villages, which types of houses made by the villagers? They make kacha house for them. Because if they have economical condition is good, so they make pakka house for them. Clear student? Rest of the things we will discuss in the next lecture, and I hope understand what I explain you in this lecture. And I give you homework. Read the page number 58 in front of the मम्मी पापा. ओके, मम्मी पापा के सामने आपको रीडिंग करनी है. Read the chapter and make the questions. Ask the question. If you read one line, ask the question. Why mummy this thing happened? But I explain you all the things. Or read the paragraph and explain the things in front of your parents. Okay student, what I explain you, same thing you explain your parents. Clear? जो मैंने आपको समझाया वो आप एक बार मम्मी को भी समझाओ कि मैम ने ऐसा से समझाया है. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ आई फिनिश माई लेक्चर हियर. आई होप you do your work. Clear? And also follow the instruction whatever given by your parents. Use mask and wash your hand again and again. Okay, bye.